Please report to room A9.
Okay, guys, so here today I should be going over Death Alley, which is a lookalike blank module, but when you hover over it, you get tone playing in certain regions. This region will be corresponding to one of these symbols, or letters or numbers. You gotta figure out what symbol it is and then press the corners it tells you. And the bottom blind letter you can tell you how you can tell which ones are which, where Death Alley is if you hear a tone. So, to identify symbols, some people scan line first. So there doesn't seem to be nothing down here. So all of our symbol is up at the top. So probably something like this or this. I'm guessing it might be the asterisk. There isn't two symbols up here, is there? So it seems to be a symbol up here in the middle here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the asterisk. So we get bzbzbzzt, which means each letter refers to a quadrant: top left, top right, bottom right, bottom left, bottom right, in order.
Emergency cleared. All personnel, please return to stations.
bzbzb will be top right, bottom left, top right, and we get a self-module. These shapes are very hard to identify. I actually had a fail attempt with this tutorial earlier, where I thought we had a capital letter S, and we actually had a digit 8. So anyway, we do one more example. In terms of striking though, the answer will not change because the correct reflection will need to be pressed again, which implies the answer doesn't change. So once again, there doesn't seem to be anything down here. I actually got a very lucky example here, where I had two symbols that were just empty at the bottom. Ignore my cat if you can hear him. So we have like a singular symbol up here, I think. So it's probably something like apostrophe, could be this, or this, I'm assuming. So let's see. I think it's this. So again, D is down here, then B is up here, and then D is down here. Okay, so of course it's not always as easy as I've made it look here. So let me quickly load up another example. Let me quickly load up another example to show you that it's not always going to be as easy to differentiate as the two I got there.
All available experts, please report to room A9.
Because you see here, this one has parts all over the shop. maybe we draw a diagonal line here. Kind of. So we know it's some sort of way to have a diagonal line there. And it has a lot of buzzing. Going like this. So it could be the hashtag, so... But we know it can't be because it's not like a second diagonal line over here. We have an entire line here.
Emergency cleared. All personnel, please return to your stations.
So it has a straight line on the left hand side. Doesn't continue at the bottom. It does have some continuation up the top. It could be M. I feel like this is an M. Okay, so if we were right, we can press C, A, B, D, and we get some module. Hopefully you understand how Def Alley works now. You just have to be able to scan line it as much as you can until you have no doubt of what the letter can only be. So like here, I was getting 3 across going here. Then when further up I got 4s. Then when I got nearer the top I got 2s. So it could only be this. Of course, if I get the opposite, it will be a W instead. Anyway, hopefully you understand how Def Alley works, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.